I like to read backwards, like a Japanese. I feel it seeps into my, what's that called? Your mind? No, what does it seep into?
Cerebral cortex?
Yeah, cerebral cortex. Much faster. Oh, hello. You guys interrupted me during my comprehensive reading. So glad that you could join me today. Hello, Hunnay.
Wait, I don't even have the mic plugged in. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Kenzie, for sponsoring this video.
Action.
What? I used to work at TGI Fridays where I'd actually say super salad, like not soup or salad, but I'd say super salad. And they'd always go, yes.
Hello, Hunnay. As you can see, I'm home here at Jay's place. I sometimes shoot Hello Hunnay at my house. Sometimes I shoot it here at Jay's. I love the life that we're building together. We mesh our schedules. We're still quarantining. And at the same time, when you share your life with somebody, you start to notice things about yourself that you didn't realize when you were living alone. And I really don't have anybody here to talk to you about that. So I felt it'd be nice to share with my fam the things that I've noticed about myself here living with Jay. This couch is not the right place to start, so follow me. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Welcome to my bathroom. This is an area where I love to pamper, have my most feminine visits with myself. That sounds crazy. Taking care of myself from my face to my skin to my body. And one thing that I'm hoping you already know because you've watched Hello Hunnay, you know that the Kenzie IPL at-home handset is my favorite device to use in the bathroom because it makes my legs look this lusciously smooth, Hunnay. Yes, I've been using it for about 6 months now. These days, I don't go out to get waxed and I really don't have time to just sit there and shave all day. So I've been treating myself with this laser treatment and it's made such a tremendous difference. Kenzie works because it converts light energy into heat to remove hair. Think about all the times that removing hair is so painful when it comes to waxing, maybe getting ingrowns or razor burns. All of that is non-existent when it comes to Kenzie. This is plugged in and ready to go. It's so easy. Are you ready? All you have to do is press this power button right there. You can actually adjust how much you want your IPL intensity to be. Just by pressing this green button, you'll see here the notches on the lights to tell you if you want as minimal or as full as possible. I'm gonna go for a strong dose here. Stroke the device right directly onto the hair growth on your leg. Press the button, you'll see an electrical current that just gently zaps your leg. It's so easy. I know the areas of my leg that have more growth than others, so I just spend a little bit more time zapping that area to make sure it gets the coverage it needs. When I used to go to waxing appointments, it would cost me up to $50 waxing my legs, waxing my private areas, and now with my Kenzie, I can control exactly where I want my hair to be removed. I actually just come into the bathroom, I kind of zone out, I'll turn on my favorite podcast and just start zapping away at the different parts of my body that I want to remove hair. And like I said, Kenzie is safe to use everywhere around your body, just don't use it around your eyes. I mean, for obvious reasons, this is a laser, but it's safe to use everywhere else. I have a friend who actually has a husband who has some hair on his back that he's been self-conscious about. She helped him use the Kenzie and removed the hair on his back. He's as smooth as a baby seal. They're very happy. The best thing about Kenzie is that it'll deliver results in as soon as 2 to 3 weeks. Full results, 12 weeks. Get to know yourself a little bit better in the bathroom with your Kenzie, and you'll notice in 12 weeks, boom, you're a hairless kitty. That's weird. You'll notice in 12 weeks, boom, all your hair is gone. Guys, it removes sunspots, blemishes, pigmentation, any dark spots in areas. Kenzie helps zap it all away. Click the link in the description below in order to get your IPL Kenzie handset. Or for my fam out there, go to kenzie.com and use my code HH50 for $50 off your own Kenzie. That's KENZZI.com. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the sexiest of them all? Me, Hunnay! I love spending time in the bathroom, unwinding, taking baths, showering, conditioning my hair, lasering my hair off, tweezing my mustache. All of those things are my favorite thing to do. And some people think it's important to start off with a clean, beautiful bathroom. Not me! This is her workstation. This is where the magic happens. Do I want to have a clean workstation? Yeah, I do. But guess what? There's so much that goes into this masterpiece that I honestly don't. I know where everything is. You need a red lipstick? I got you, boo. Eyelash falling off? Don't worry, ho. Beauty blending is my business. There's nothing I can't find in this place, and it's all because I know my beautiful mess. Jason does look really good right now. What a spoil. Oh, hello. You made your way to the living room. So when Oh, hello. You made your way to the living room. Well, when I first met Jay, another thing I loved about him is his simplicity and style. He loves things that have quality, things that just make a statement. He doesn't like clutter. He likes things to look refined, simple, and tasteful. If it's here, it has a purpose. This, by the way, was something that I put together for him because for Christmas, I presented to him that I was going to take him to Vietnam. So I made dioramas that depicted every city that we were going to visit. And this was one of the bows, the boat that we were going to ride when we go to Nha Trang. He's found a way to decorate everything and give it its own little home and its own little moment. And then I arrived. So this is my station where we shoot the reel, because we're all quarantining in my own little cubicle here. I can't tell you how thankful I am to have a man who not only respects my work, but is so supportive of it, even if it means. I was there. I don't care what you said about me leaving. I was there.
Whatever.
Oh, sweet. Okay, let's go. Welcome to La Cocina. When I moved into Jay's place, I appreciated that he was a very simple, refined man when it came to dining. He eats out most of the time. He doesn't save any food at home. This fridge was filled with seltzer waters, maybe a couple protein shakes, a lot of olives. But today, ever since I've entered the kingdom, it's changed just a bit.
That's good.
Oh my God, I'm obsessed with boozy tea, obsessed. Jay loves his protein shakes. This whole bag of to-go food is my takeout that I ordered 2 days ago. I get excited when I receive to-go food. Jay would throw it out the minute he's finished with it, the day that he orders it, even if there's a full serving left. Jay loves his bacon, as long as it's made out of plants. I prefer America's classics. Before Jay met the love of his life, his fridge was full of things like ketchup, and that's it. Now, he's got things like our nation's hot sauce, uk satay, which is a must, Japanese miso dressing. Who doesn't have Asian dressing in their fridge? What's wrong with you? Hoisin sauce, because those pho restaurants never send enough hoisin. For anybody who loves mayo, Kewpie mayonnaise is the best mayo out there. No, it's not sweet like Miracle Whip. It's actual flavoricious mayo. If you guys eat banh mi sandwiches, the Vietnamese banh mi, and you notice that like creamy texture that makes all the meats taste so good, that's what Kewpie is. You can buy it at Asian markets. Cream cheese frosting. So good. I get to do that because it's my jar. Ever since Jay decided to bring me into his life, I decided to bring a lot more flavor and a lot more of my culture, which is why I stock up. And my favorite ingredient when it comes to cooking, Yeye's. Yeye is a mother-daughter brand where they basically put together chili oil and fresh fried garlic. This added to everything, noodles, pastas, rice dishes, meats, seasonings, will change lives. I make sure to stock up on this, so I make sure everything he eats is never schmegular. And by the way, for everybody who watched Mama Mai's pho recipe episode, I read your comments.
She left me I have to do myself. She said she wants to learn how to cook noodle soup. Did she learn anything? No.
No, I did not. Okay, fine. Yes, I did disappear after the pho recipe because it took too damn long. But as you can see, she stays cooking in the kitchen, boo. She stays serving for her man. With her Dancing with the Stars sippy cup filled with her man's tequila. So this is Jay's tequila. He actually curated it, created it, and we are fans of white tequila, and I like to spice it up with a little bit of brown liquor, Japanese whiskey to be exact. We love pouring this into a low ball glass, no ice, taking it straight, nice warm sips. Take it from the kitchen to maybe the couch and maybe the bedroom later. Before I met Jay, he used to wear his shoes in the house. Not anymore, Hunnay. Hey, Paul, let's go to the closet. Hey, Paul, let's go to the closet. One thing Jay will never know is how good I am at concealing my messes.
Is there anything else in your closet that you want to confess to? Oh my God.
What? Oh.
Oh, shit.
Ling Ling. We put her up here for a reason. This is Ling Ling. She's been with me a long, long time. Ladies, you already know. Switch my wig, make him feel like he's cheating. He loves this. Since I'm coming out of the closet with all of these confessions, I guess I might as well tell you that I love to burp. There's nothing wrong with it. It's freeing, it's reviving. I have never, ever burped in front of Jay. In fact, if you told him that I burped, he would not believe you. Because she is a princess. And princesses don't burp. I mean, really, if a tree falls in the forest, did anybody hear? And sometimes, you just gotta soak up the view.
Don't forget to subscribe. And Kenzie, thank you for sponsoring this video.